So I got an Avis 8345 here. This is a fortunate find. I got it off eBay. I think I paid $5 for it, no key. I was fortunate enough to be able to pick it open, and I rekeyed it so that I would have a key, obviously. So I'm going to attempt to pick it for you. Open it up, show you it works. Take that off. Lock it back up. See that? That was a really good buy. Okay. Been a while since I picked it last, so I don't know how long this is going to be. Okay, I'm going to start with top of the keyway, 50,000 fry bar. And a little bit of play. I don't remember what was in it. I left the same top key, driver pins in. Bottom pins obviously I had to change so that I would have a key. Okay. And it is 5 pins. And let's see here. Let's do this. It's a Slage keyway. Do that again. Five pins. Go all the way to the back. Light tension. Oh, jeez. Medium hook, I think. It's not medium. There we go. Right there. That's too late. I should use a diamond. Another click. That was 5, I think. There's another one. Slight one there. And something just fell. A deep click. Yeah, you have to use a hook. Not sure which one to use. And then click. Yeah. 1, 2, and 1 and 2 just fell. Go all the way back. Do this again. Lost that. Yeah, I'm having a hard time with this. Still need more practice. I don't remember if there was serrated pins in this or not. Sounds like it though. That's the casing. Not getting a lot of feedback. I think 1's set. I think 2's set. Shit. Keep losing stuff. I'm dropping a lot of stuff. I'm getting stuff set, but it's not getting the right sequence. There's 1. 2. Five. The last one to be set. Letting up an attention. Can't tell. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't get 5. I can't tell if 5's set or not. Crap. Hook. Hook. Oh, I got it. There you go. Number 2. That was cool. Took me a little bit. How long have we got? 90 minutes, 28 seconds. That's cool. Alright. Now I'll get it. Over there. Push the stuff back. Locked it back up. Okay. Screwdriver. Pinning tray. Been a while since I picked the lock. It's especially on camera. Some of the other ones I'm picking, I got some mailbox locks. I actually got a dimple lock. I have a multi lock coming in the mail. That'll be here tomorrow. There's that over there. Yeah, what do I need? Plug right here. Which size? Regular size. This guy. Okay. And gotta remember, take the C-clip off. Pickle fork. There we go. There's that. And it is locked. Okay, this is the older style. It's a 300. The newer style has a detent pin. You push it in. I found out with this one, a little bit of research and a little bit of pain, pushing it in is not how it works. It actually comes out. Pull this out right there. See that? Comes right out. I set that aside. I'm not going to put it over here because I don't want to get it messed up, mixed in with my regular pins. Okay, where are we going here? We are going to put this like that. And I need a shim. Come on. Use a thin one. Right there. That'll probably be alright. Okay. This is going in there. Down in there. Should be good enough. Where are we going here? Right there. This guy is going to go like that. Key pins right there. This guy is going in like this. Just like that. That was easy. Put that aside. Yeah. See, I don't get it. I don't understand why they do that. 6-pin core, but I can only put 5 pins in it. Why'd they do that? Anybody got any ideas? Let me know. Okay, I'll take the key out. Yeah, we'll take the key out. Take these out one at a time. Pin 1, standard. 2 is a standard. This is over here. 3 is a standard. 4 is a standard. 5 is a standard. Keep this in frame there. There's that. Okay. Come on. Where's my tweezers? Right here. I went to work and didn't have my tweezers with me. Okay. So we'll do this. I'm just going to let them shoot out. I'm going to pull that out. Come on, Shim. There's that. Okay. Driver pins. Pin 1. It looks like there's a slight serration on it. Alright, get back here. Copper spring. Pin 2. There's a spool. Copper spring. That's probably why it kept getting stuck like that. Pin 3. The spool. Spring stuck. There it is. Copper spring. Pin 4. Another spool. Another spring stuck. There it is. And pin 5. There you go. Another spool. So we got standard pins. Pins 1 through 5. Nothing serrated. And on the top, pin 1. I don't see any serrations on that. Maybe one really light one. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. And 5 is a spool. 5 is a spool. So basically I had 4 spools and 1 regular. And copper springs. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great night and stay safe.